Hello everyone. In this video, summative assessment 1 October 2025 class 10th subject social studies question paper of Telangana Hyderabad district question paper discuss. This question paper download to the telegram link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish sir YouTube channel. Instruction: read the question paper carefully, understand the question and then answer. Write the answer for the question in part A in the answer sheet. Attach the map to the part A answer sheet. Part A contain 1, 2, 3 section. Write the answer clearly, duly following the instruction given for each section. Section 1, note, answer all the question. Answer each question carries 3 to 4 sentences. Each question carries 2 marks. 6 cross 2 equal to 12 marks. What is meant by organized sector? Give 2 example. What were the immediate consequences of the Treaty of Versailles? Create 2 slogan on the importance of water conservation. Draw an outline map of India and locate the Tropic of Cancer. Suggest 2 measures to combat the spread of misinformation during election. Observe the given data, literacy rate and answer the question. Year 1951, male 27.2%, female 8.9%, 2011 82.1% male, 65.5% female. What is the difference in the female literacy rate between 1951 and 2011? What does this table show about the trend of the gender gap in the literacy? Section 2, answer all the question. Answer each question 5 to 6 sentences. Each question carries 4 marks. Read the paragraph and interrupt. While globalization has led to economic growth and access to new market, it has also widened the gap between the rich and poor. Many small scale industries struggle to compete with multinational corporations, leading to job insecurity for a portion of the workforce. Explain the main cause of the Great Dispersion 1929. What, in your opinion, was the most significant contribution of the non-corporation movement to India freedom struggle? Why? Locate the following place in the Indian map: the Western Ghat, River Godavari, the Karamandal coast, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 11. Write a short note of the retreating monsoon autumn in India. Analyze the following data on sectoral contribution to GDP. Agriculture 1951 52%, 2021 18%, industry 14, 26, service 34, 56. Analyze the major structure shift in Indian economy so by this data. 6 marks question. Question number 13. Differentiate between Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat based on their continuity, average elevation and the major river. What is the major challenges faced agricultural sector in India? 15th. Suggest measure to address them. Explain the key function and power of the Election Commission of India. 16th. Locate the following places in the given world map: Germany, Japan, Suez Canal, Australia, Brazil, USA. Analyze the poverty head count ratio in India and analyze the trend. 1993 45.3, 2004 37.2%, 2011 21.9%, 20 2022 15% approx. What does the trend 1993 to 2022 signify? What challenges might remain? Give the given graph, read the given graph and interpret its meaning. The Indian Constitution is not merely a legal document but a social one. It aims to bring about a social revolution by dis- dismantling age of old heritages and guaranteeing justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Its provision for fundamental rights and directive principle are the tools for the transformation. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much watching a video. Like and share to Manish sir YouTube channel. Thank you.